The IsoMatch InLine is an accessory to help you to drive straight lines. It's not an automatic guidance system, but a manual help to bring you as close as possible to the desired guided line. What do you get when you open up the package? First of all, you get the IsoMatch InLine itself. Then you get the mounting bracket with the suction tube, so you can mount it on the front window. And you get the cable to connect it to the terminal. Mounting is quite simple. One end goes to the back side of the IsoMatch InLine. The other end, the 9-pin, goes to the 9-pin in-cap connector on the rear side of the terminal. And once we have connected, we can see directly the distance and the guidance LEDs towards it. And that's how we set it up.
When farming means business.